Hi everyone. I'm back. Today I'm going to I get to show you how to replace the battery from this APC backup. This particular model is back UPS XS 1000. This thing is the battery is dead, and what it is, when you turn on and it gives you a beeping noise, and this yellow light here, this light right here lit up, I think in yellow, and say replace the battery. Okay, so this one here, let me see here, and here's the bottom. The particular model is let's see, what is it here? Okay, so this model, let me see here, EBX, come on now, zoom in, BX 1000. Okay, so this procedure will work with other APC similar, right? Here's the back look like. While this battery is dead, I use these two right here just for sale only. I don't use these because the battery is dead, and it gives you a noise, beeping sound. So now I just got my new battery. So to remove it, you can see down here, have the little say arrow down. So basically you just hold this and push down. I see I can do it myself here. Yeah, just pull this thing down, okay, and get this thing out. This particular one here, I have a hard time. Here, this is the old battery. I took it out already. Let's see what it looks like. I have a hard time to get this thing out of here because let's see what happened was this is already out, so I already took them out. So anyway, it's so difficult to get it out because you see it bulge up, the battery, it swallow up, you see it, and you see this mark right here is I use some tool try to pull it out. I get a hard time to get this thing out because you see I got this space right here. It just tight enough, and when the battery is expanding like this, make it so hard to get it out. But I finally got it out, but you see it's bulged up pretty badly. This is the old one. So initially, the reason I break them off apart like this because it's supposed to come like this. You see the two mark right here, the two connector go in here. I took it out. It's supposed to come out like that. So initially, I want to buy two individual. Okay. And to replace it, instead of buying the whole package like this, because initially I want to buy individually, so it's cheaper that way. I hope save some money. So, but later on I find the whole package deal, which is I get from Stables, which is the one I just got from Stables. So here the part number BRC32. Here's the menu here. It's come like this. So this is a new replacement one here. It's come the whole packet like this. So anyway, so if you guys want to buy the individual battery and you can put together, you could do like what I did here. Is you see it's taped up like this. What I did was I used the heat sink hair dryer. Just heat it up a little bit and just use a sharper knife, razor, and just pull them off like this. See, you pull both sides like this, and the other side too. You see, you can pull both sides. You can reuse it. So here you see, I took them out and I removed the connector from here. And you could do the same. You keep this part, you keep this one back, just this part right here, just take it out, and you can buy 2 batteries like this. You can buy 2 of them, and you can use existing hardware here and put back together and tape it up. You know, if it's cheaper that way, then you can do that. But in my case, I just bought this. This one was on sale at Stable, so I decided to get it, and it's an APC original, genuine. So I get the whole packet like this. But this is my old one here. 12 volt, 7.2 amps. This is my. In here, the connector look like this. You know, I took it out so because that way. So I actually did this. I took it out so I can see exactly model and specification exactly. So when I order, I don't order the wrong battery. But eventually, I find our OEM. APC battery, so I get it instead. So this is the new one here. Okay, this is the new one here. This is the new one. Try to zoom in. RBC32 is the model number for this particular one. Okay, so I dropped the new battery in, and just make sure you see this little slot right here. This slot right here. Make sure this side, this connector go to this side. This can go only one way. I guess you can go put the other way in, but we're not going to go in. So make sure that this little slot here, this side cable go to here, and you just basically connect to it. You connect it, and that's it. This is to this slot right here. Go right in here. Go this here. Okay, I just found out that this is my new one and this is my old one, and you can see the order was reversed. You see this side flat here, go this side. I'll show you. This is my new one, this is my old one, new one here. You see that the pin go this way, where the pin go this way. So to install it, I have to twist it. Okay, I have to twist it and see that they have polarity here. plus minus. Okay, see, minus here, plus here, and S here. This is so minus, plus, and letter S. So make sure it go the correct way. So it should go like this. Okay, and that should do it. Okay, this is the battery disposal information here. I guess we can go here to mail the old battery back to them, I guess. This is just the instructions. So this is for this model. This is the one I have here. I think the one I have, the RX. But this also works for this particular model. This model. This model. This model. Okay, here I just plug in the wall. Everything put back together, nice and neat. Now I'm going to turn it on. Do some cell checking, I guess. It's green, so I guess we're good.